Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Avalanche price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the daily chart, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulse toward the upside, finishing a wave A. In this case, we are looking for a zigzag A, a B, and a C toward the upside, or a wave 1 and 2, of course, for higher prices in an impulse. Now, as we can see, the WXY here for this wave B, in the white count, and we have, of course, a 1, 2 after it as a formation for this impulse for a wave C, probably. Now, if we would like to move for a wave C in an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, your wave 3 has to be also impulsive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in 5 waves, and then, of course, one more wave 4 and a 5. If we take a look in this area, we can see, of course, something else is unfolding probably, and that because we are very, very close to the invalidation point of this bullish scenario at $30.925. As you can see, this wave 4 went very, very deep. Now it is very close for for the wave 1 zone to be invalidated. But it is not yet invalidated, so we still looking for this A, B, and a C here as corrective wave, another 3 waves up, and another 3 waves down, meaning it is a W, X, and a Y here. If your wave Y wants to finish this in one more low, it's gonna transform, of course, into an A, B, and a C, where your wave C is gonna transform into a contracting diagonal or ending diagonal, what we call invalidation of this, of course, once we touch the $30. And in that case scenario, you will transform this into an A, B, and a C rather than an impulse, of course, in case we touch, of course, the $30. In that case, I would say, of course, then we are moving for lower prices if we reach this price, meaning this can be a longer correction in 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And that, of course, bring us to a longer correction as an A, B, and a C, knowing that your wave 1 has probably finished here, because we are looking here at 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, probably finished wave 1, and then this can be an A, B, and a C, where your wave C is already finished, kind of like, WXY probably. But it's not nice, of course, to see this as as a very, very not very clear ending diagonal. Your wave 5 looks longer than your wave 3, and that means something here. It means, of course, something that this might turn into 3 waves. So probably we can say that your wave 1 is here as well, and that is your 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toward the downside. But before we go to this possibility, let's keep it, of course, in this area to see if a finished ABC is here, and of course until invalidation of this impulse. If this impulse is invalidated, I prefer to move the wave 1 to this area, and consider that this is, of course, your wave 2 here, not finished, and moving for lower prices and in bearish scenario. So basically, once you see this taken, you have to consider unfinished wave 2. Probably we can still move toward the downside for a wave 2 here as an impulse between the green box. We did not touch the 0.618 yet, so probably it wants to, of course, make sure to touch or enter this green box again as 3 corrective waves. And here it can be finally considered as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Then your wave 4 anyway did not reach your wave 1, in case that is the scenario. Therefore, of course, wave 1 and then a wave 2, and then moving for higher prices. This is your bullish scenario. Your bearish scenario, again, another bearish scenario, is you have a triangle, A, B, C, D, and an E. Your wave E has finished in the top here, and after a correction, you would like to see, of course, an impulse toward the downside. Now, how much this impulse can go far? Well, you see, until the 0, you have a lot. All the space can be, of course, an impulse toward the downside. And we're gonna watch and see what's gonna happen. If we reach, of course, this invalidation, it might be also an open scenario for this not bullish, this bearish scenario towards the downside, of course. But yeah, we have to check, of course, a 1-2 first. If a 1-2 was not taken, then yeah, I mean this 1-2 here in the 0.618, and then of course I have to consider something lower can be unfolding at 886. Your 886 is of course a much more bearish scenario, meaning if you touch this, yeah, you might of course take this low and dive even deeper, yeah, even deeper for. So A, B, it can be something like this, a bigger wave B, and then moving for wave C later on, with higher wave C. Yeah. So everything is possible, but step by step, of course. The first thing that we need to do is to invalidate this bullish scenario. If we invalidate it, then we have to look in this area for a reversal, 5 waves up, 3 waves down, continuation. If this did not happen and we take the 886, therefore, definitely we want to take this low. We want to finish A, B, and a C. Yeah. That was it for AVAX. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.